Okay, after beating this thing forever, it's gonna be one big tack bird. Okay, let's get on it. Okay, let's get some of that mustard. I'm gonna put a lot. Come here. I'm gonna spread it. Put some eggs in there. Now I'm gonna roll it. This is gonna be difficult. The biggest one I ever made. Usually I make 4 or 5 small ones. This one's different. Okay. It's huge. I need to buy a new board. I'm throwing this thing out. In the pan. Now I put a little bit of tomato paste and some pickle juice. Now I'm just going to add some water. I'm going to put it in the oven for at least 2 hours. Probably maybe 3 hours. Okay. Sometimes I pour beer in there too, but I don't have any beer. What if you put a Guinness in there? Cooking almost 3 hours. Gotta be. Benjamin's getting hungry. Okay. Let's see. How's the batak? Yummy? Oops. I'm gonna go walk to the stove. Lots of people got Christmas lights out. Feels like I'm a kid back in California. In San Jose. San Jose, I could walk to the store too when I was a kid. I rode my bike there. Go to Alpha Beta grocery store. They have McDonald's there. Round Table Pizza with arcade games. Olivera. I think it was called Olivera. No, that was like an egg. Olivera Egg Ranch. Now they have the big Olaf. You get ice cream and Jelly Bellies. Still remember all that. What else we have over there? Well, we had 2 shopping centers I could walk to. But that was the main one I went to. They had McDonald's there and they had Round Table Pizza with Centipede, Pac-Man, and Miss Pac-Man, Tempest, and Defender. Yeah, I'm making a beer run. I'm getting some exercise. It's been raining all day and weather sucks. We were supposed to go to the Christmas market today, but yesterday too, but it's been raining. It is wet and nasty. Yesterday was worse. I love going to the store here because it's empty. Always. Nothing like Prague, where you go in and you can't get out of the place for an hour. You gotta wait in line for 30 minutes. And everything that's on sale is already bought. And people are pushing and shoving. Not like that here. It's empty. I'll have the whole store to myself almost. And everything that's on sale has been marked down again. Otherwise they have to throw it out. You'd never find that in Prague. Everything gets bought, but not here. In good old Kladno. We are here. Look. I'm all alone. This is Benjamin's section. He told me to bring him something sweet. They have these Villa brand peanut butter cups. Oh, there they are. Look, and they're on sale too. That's what Benjamin wants. So I'm supposed to stand here for 30 minutes looking at everything. Tell him to hurry up. It's sold out. I bought the last two yesterday. Too bad. Guess I'll have to drink Czech beer, which is more than half the price. Let's see. Or maybe I'll drink Slovak beer. I like Slovak beer. I found some. Not sold out. I heard on the radio that Guinness has problems because they're selling too much of it and they're running out all over Europe, so get it while you can. It's on sale here eternally. It costs like 5 times as much in a bar here. So got out of the store. It was nice and peaceful. There was like one person, another person in the store that I saw. Benjamin got his peanut butter cups, and I got 4 cans of beer. 2 Guinness and 2 Kozol. 2 Billy Goat. Everything was on sale. I don't know how much was. What, $6? How much was that? It's like 150 crowns. Yeah, $6. Guinness in an Irish pub in Prague is like, oh my god, yeah, like I said, 5 times as much. Just insane. Same damn thing. Whew. It's quiet. Ooh, there's a light on over there. Building a new apartment building here, and well, Ukrainians are building the new apartment building, of course, and they stay in those trailers right over there. The outhouse and a water tank. I saw the foreman one morning coming, Czech guy in his big American GMC truck with a big water tank in the back. He's honking his horn, telling them to come out and get the water. maybe it was the owner of the company. Who knows? Must have been driving a huge American truck there that he imported from the US. He wouldn't even get out of the truck, he just honking the horn. Come out and get your water. They came out and he just sat there. And then he drove off. Okay. There's the drainage pit. Full of water. Lots of Christmas lights. Let's go home and eat that meat I made. Okay. They had theirs. I'm gonna make my TV dinner. I like to eat late. Sauce is nice and thick. Ooh. It's gonna be very tasty. The sauce is very good. Yummy, yummy. Here we go. I think I'm gonna take that side. Make my TV dinner. Save the rest tomorrow. Or tomorrow for lunch. That's the Spanish birdie. Nummy, 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 nummy. My favorite Czech dish. Michaela showed me how to make it. She only made it one time for me. It was before we were married. It was 1997.
Let's not try it also.
But she always helps me make it. And I've kind of perfected it. Sort of. This was the biggest one I made. It was just one big bird.
I also made one the pork one.
Yeah, we like to make them out of pork too, but this beef was 70% off, so that big piece of beef was only 70 crowns, so this one was cheap. Alright, let's eat.